Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade, and this week I'm going to do a vegan enchilada with rice and beans. These are going to be all the ingredients I'm going to use. First, you're going to start by dicing up the onions and bell peppers. Turn the stove on to a high heat and drizzle a little bit of grapeseed oil. And for the rice, you're going to put about 1 2/3 cup of water, and you're going to add the rice and the seasoning. Turn it on a high heat. Oh, and since I didn't have any vegan butter, I just added a little bit of grapeseed oil. As for the black beans, you're going to add about a can of black beans drained and add about a cup of water and bring it to a boil. While it's beginning to boil, you can go ahead and add the green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and red onions. Add the remaining green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and red onions to the other pot for the content that's going to go inside the enchilada. Go ahead and stir and allow the vegetables to saute. The rice has begun to boil, so go ahead and turn it down to a simmer and cook for about 25 minutes. Now you can go ahead and add the Beyond Beef and allow it to cook for about 9 minutes. Now we can go ahead and add the seasoning to the black beans. You're going to add about a dash of salt. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin. Two teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and about half a teaspoon of cayenne, cover and allow the beans to cook for about 20 minutes on medium heat. And continue to stir the Beyond Beef to allow it to cook down. Now it's time to add the can of black beans, add the packet of hot and spicy seasoning, one teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, two teaspoons of cumin, two tablespoons of lime juice, a dash of salt, and 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. And stir everything together. Oh, and also 1 teaspoon of paprika. Once it gets to about this type of consistency, you can go ahead and turn the heat off and set it aside. Now it's time to make the enchiladas. You're going to pour the red enchilada sauce on the bottom, and you're going to also drizzle a little bit of grapeseed oil on the bottom as well. Once the rice is done, you can go ahead and set that aside as well. And as for the beans too, you can go ahead and set them aside when they look like this. As for the enchiladas, you're going to grab a tortilla of your choice. Mine is flour. And you're going to add the contents of the Beyond Beef with the beans on one side. And then you're going to add a little bit of guacamole, roll it up, and set it inside the pan. You're going to repeat the same steps until the pan is completely full. Mine made about 6 enchiladas. Depending on the pan size, you might get about 10. Once the pan is full, you're going to drizzle the red enchilada sauce across the top of the tortillas until it's kind of about this type of consistency. It's probably about 2 cups if you want to be exact. Set the oven to 400 and you're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes has been reached, go ahead and remove the enchiladas from the stove. You're going to garnish with some red onions, cilantro, and the lettuce. Now you can add anything else if you'd like, but this is just enough. Ooh, and your meal is ready. Doesn't that look delicious? And now for the best part, I'm gonna let you know what I think and taste it myself. So again, I made long grain wild rice with black beans and vegan enchiladas. So here we go. You guys, this is my first time trying it. I found a recipe that I liked and I kind of made it myself, like made it my own, my own little extra things in there. So here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is so good. Oh my God. Oh, you can taste all the flavors. You can taste the avocado, the guacamole. I definitely can taste the Beyond Meat. I can taste the hot and spicy. I can taste all the vegetables. It's delicious. Oh my God. Delicious. All right, let's see how the rice. Rice is good too. I can taste the herbs. All right, with the beans. All of it is so good. So good. Y'all, you gotta try it. It's delicious. Make it yourself. I'm gonna finish this because it is so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Let me know what you think after you make it. Thank you guys again. Bye.